For this guided meditation, we are going to begin by sitting on the floor or on a chair. If you're sitting on the floor, just make sure that your body actually feels comfortable. So you can take small pillows or rolled blankets for extra support on your knees and hips if you need that. It's also perfectly fine to sit in a chair and have your feet grounded flat onto the earth. So one of the foundational commitments of meditation is to be still. So it is very important that your posture doesn't add any discomfort or distraction. Choose whatever posture, whether sitting in a chair or on the floor, that allows you to be fully relaxed while also fully present. It is a relaxed aliveness, not sleepy, fully aware, but at peace. Now that you're in a comfortable position, let your spine gently elongate. Imagine that your hips are being grounded to the earth and your head is gently rising to connect with a spacious and sacred energy from above. And with this, your spine will naturally elongate. Take a deep breath right here. With this one breath, you are offering yourself a sacred gift to be present, to give all of your attention to the life-giving force, while also letting it nourish and return back into you. Inhale, breathe in peace. Exhale, breathe out stress. Allow your face muscles to completely relax. Let the hinge of your jaw release itself. Let the mouth loosen. And go ahead and soften the eyebrow ridges. Imagine the face of a sleeping baby. Have you ever seen a child sleep and breathe? It's very easy and very relaxed. In this moment, just imagine that you are tuning into a radio channel and the only sound that is playing is your breath. Hear it, feel it, sense it, envision it, taste it. Let your awareness, your consciousness, your energetic antenna, let it flow downward into the lower part of the belly. There is a felt sense that the breath is breathing itself, and you are the witness. But you are also one with that which you are witnessing. Now, this might sound like a spacey, transcendent practice, but being with the breath is not abstract. You are giving your full attention to the concreteness of breathing. Inhale and exhale. Your breath is very real. tangible. It's right here. By noticing your breath in this moment, you are gathering your attention away from that stream of incessant thinking, and you are moving your attention to the river of breath. Now, whether the mind is loud or quiet, it doesn't matter, because as we lean into the breath, there is no need to control or change anything. We don't need to make anything happen that isn't already happening by its own spiritual instinct. This is the art of being with the breath. As you offer your awareness to the breath, what are you noticing? In your being, your energy body, in your limbic system? What is arising? What is being released? And what is being received? Consciously being with the breath is an exploration of our inner being. And by simply breathing, we can discover this intangible quality of aliveness. May you listen to this sacred internal rhythm as if you are hearing it for the first time. There will now be 7 minutes of silence. Allow yourself to let go of all technique, to sit and simply be. This silence will be followed by 3 bells. all the love, all the power, and all the light.